The first method of promotion we're going to talk about is pay-per-click, known as PPC marketing. It is also the most popular form of promotion for cost per action offers. However, it is something that I want to encourage you if you're just starting out, especially if you've never done internet marketing before. I suggest that you do not start with pay-per-click. Pay-per-click is extremely powerful, but it is also something that you want to make sure that you know what you're doing first, because it involves money. You can't do it for free. A lot of the other techniques that I'm going to share with you in a few moments don't cost anything. So those are some good ways to kind of figure things out. Pay-per-click is basically whenever you go to Google and let's say that I type in something like lose weight now. Okay, I am somebody that wants to lose weight right away. So that's a pretty good phrase right there to be ranking for. What comes up here, these are natural search results. And of course, if you have a website, obviously you want to be ranking here. That takes a lot of time and effort. However, you can go to Google and join a program called AdWords, which is located at adwords.google.com. And within a few minutes, you can literally be on their network and running ads. So what happens is you would say to Google, every time somebody types in lose weight now, I want to appear for these terms. Now, where you rank depends on how much money you're willing to pay. So let's take a look at these ads so you can see that at Jenny Craig weight loss, you probably heard of that before. Lose weight now, somebody wrote lose inches in 45 minutes. That's pretty crazy. 32 pounds per month, that's also very crazy. So if I was going to run a campaign on pay-per-click, what I would do is I would go to the Google free keyword tool. I'm just going to go ahead and type in free keyword tool Google in the search engines. And once you're inside AdWords, they have a tool as well. I think it's the same thing. So let's say that I wanted to get involved and lose weight. Okay, I go ahead and type this in, and it's going to give me two things. It's going to show me how many times people are searching for that term each month, and also other keywords related to that term. So it's very interesting because, of course, I took a guess there that people would be typing in lose weight now, but I would think that there's other things people are typing in as well. Okay, so here we can see lose weight quick was searched for 90,000 times last month. That is incredible. Can you imagine having your ad appear 90,000 times? But that's not the only thing. We could also bid on lose weight tips, losing weight, lose weight diet, lose weight fast, and it goes on, and you could literally have, almost a seemingly unlimited amount of traffic. So you can imagine that this would cost a ton of money. How much does it cost to get an ad to appear in here? Well, it really depends on how competitive the market is. For weight loss, it is very competitive. I would think to have your ad appear towards the top here, you would be looking at possibly a couple dollars, which is it's pretty crazy because it might be hard to turn a profit then. So one of the things that happens is whenever somebody types in lose weight now, when these ads appear, I'm not going to click on anything. That means that these people will not pay anything. They only pay when somebody clicks on the ad. So that's one good thing, because you're not just paying for people to see your ad. You're only paying when people actually come to your site. So the thing is, you need to make sure that you find an ad that is going to match your offer. You need to find an offer that's going to match the keyword that you're bidding on. What a lot of people do, including myself, is explore some other avenues first until I find something that I know works, and then I can branch out in pay-per-click and continue to make money that way as well. So that's just something to keep in mind. Pay-per-click is something where once you get this down, you can take it, and then the sky is the limit as far as if you have the money to spend, then you're going to make a ton of money if you know what you're doing. Oftentimes you might invest $100 to make $150, and the profit there is $50. So of course, $50 is $50. That's pretty darn cool, especially if you spent $1,000 to make $1,500. But the thing is, people have a problem with putting out $1,000 just to make $500. So it's one of those things. Of course, sometimes you can make a lot more than that. People can make 7-8 times what they invest in pay-per-click if they find the right niche and the right way to go about things. But it takes time. It takes time and testing. So what I just taught you about pay-per-click is not enough to go out and be successful. I would strongly encourage you, if you are looking to do pay-per-click for CPA marketing, that you take the time to learn a lot more about it before you start spending a lot of money. So with that being said, let's move on then to the next method, which doesn't cost anything.